Good afternoon, good afternoon. I'd like to give you an update on what's happening around the world of KCS, showing you all the new technology and applications and apps and functionality that we've got to offer.
The one thing about KCS, the customers are all very engaged with the products, but engaged with the people. So people want to talk to and find out more, both between customers, which is great, but also for the experts or the other people at KCS that we can actually talk to and get more out of it.
Key takeaways for me are just about how much customers can get from K8, and especially K8 Babbage as we start moving forwards. There's just a huge amount in terms of functionality, but it's also about how you can get the data back out of the system to really make use of it, streamline your business, give the flexibility and control that you need, really drive it forwards.
I've been in the business since March last year. Since I joined running marketing out of Hungerford, we've had 3 acquisitions. We've seen the growth up to 57 million now with over 570 employees, and just see that to carry on, to be honest.
I mean, the first thing is it's always good to see other users. Obviously the KCS team are here to do the promoting of the product, but it's quite often more beneficial to interact and interface with other people.
Last year we talked about introducing the Internet of Things and how products and systems and third-party applications are all connecting to each other constantly, and KCS is in the heart of that, and the K8 solutions should be at the heart of that as well. And it's about helping customers engage with us to understand how they can build that Internet of Things solution around their K8 system at its heart.
Here to learn what new products KCS have got out. Like I say, come and see a few of the partners they've got and see how they can benefit Crescent as a whole.
It is about mobile, but it's about augmenting all of those mobile applications and all of those peripheral applications around so they can coexist with K8. So K8 transacts right at the heart of our customers' business, but there's so many other applications that run around there.
It's always very helpful to see what's coming up on the K8 roadmap. Also, it's a good opportunity to stop and think, because you get presented with all sorts of different ideas and you stop and think, how could we use that in our business? And also just the networking opportunity with other K8 users and so on. That's very helpful.
Breaking up the morning with a little bit of fun, a little bit of juggling, a little bit of excitement. So hopefully they've had that.
It's such a great opportunity to network with peers. Obviously that's one of the main reasons. The other main reason is to hear about all the new features and benefits that are coming within K8.
To reinforce the product. So that's the basic thing. We've got K8, we've got a very good product out there. We've got over 70 versions of the system out there. We want customers up to Babbage, which will help them and help KCS, better support, better development, but also they'll get the benefits of what's in the new versions of the system.
Well, we're actually a group of companies, and we are actually looking towards consolidating some of our business systems, and as we stand at the moment, K8 Manufacturing is a front runner really on our shopping list, and very, very possible that we may want to roll it out across our group in the UK.
It's much more about getting K8 to work in a world where it's connected to other systems. It's demonstrating that K8 is an open system that can integrate with third-party apps.
Networking, other people going through the same things you go through, using the same system. We're in the implementation process now, so it's nice to talk to people that have recently gone through that.
It is understand the market, and I think that's why we're going more and more mobile. There's a great technical bias now, as well as just increased functionality.
To come to these events, it's about understanding what's available, what's coming out on the market, what's new, what other people are doing, the networking aspect of it. You've really, in this day and age, you've got to stay abreast and keep going forwards and not stay still, and you get that experience here.
The KCS Babbage software is obviously something that's very exciting. They're obviously putting a lot of investment into the product.
It's no longer the IT manager who's making the decision about what business systems to get. It's the business managers. They come into the IT manager and say, right, I bought this, you need to make it work with K8 and everything else. And that's what K8's about, and that's where we're going. It's about connectivity and putting the power and the tools in the hands of our customers.